BMO SmartFolio pricing explained what you get for your money. BMO SmartFolio is a robo-advisory platform designed to make investing simple and automated. Many investors assume digital portfolios are expensive or limited in features, but BMO SmartFolio combines affordability with robust management tools. The app is free to download, giving you access to portfolio tracking, market insights, and basic account management. To invest, there is an annual management fee that ranges from 0.7% to 0.4% of your assets under management, depending on your portfolio size. Smaller portfolios pay the higher rate, while accounts over zero benefit from lower fees. These fees cover professional portfolio management, automatic rebalancing, and ongoing monitoring. Most people get this wrong by assuming robo-advisors are impersonal. The surprising truth is that most SmartFolio blends automation with tailored strategies. For example, when you set your risk profile, the platform automatically allocates your investments across a diversified mix of ETFs, balancing growth and stability according to your goals. There are no hidden trading fees, and the platform supports tax-efficient strategies, including dividend reinvestment and capital gains management. This makes it ideal for hands-off investors who want professional oversight without the complexity or high costs of traditional wealth management. In conclusion, BMO SmartFolio pricing is transparent and reasonable. With annual fees that decrease as your portfolio grows and automated features that optimize investment performance, it's a practical option for anyone looking to build wealth efficiently. Combination of simplicity, professional management, and low-cost access makes SmartFolio a compelling choice for both beginners and experienced investors.